In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Namecheap cPanel. So let's get right into it. First thing you need to do is you need to go ahead onto Namecheap and you need to go onto the dashboard, and it should look something like this. Now what we can do from here is we need to go down to the hosting list. And if we've got the hosting paid for, it should show up here. Now if you don't have any hosting and you just have a domain, you're going to actually have to purchase one of their hosting plans to actually be able to access the cPanel. So we can go ahead here and click Get Started. And you can click this Find Plan if you want to. This will be a questionnaire. Or you can just scroll down here and pick the plan for yourself. So it's really up to you. Now what I'd recommend you doing if you want to pick one and you just need basic stuff, go to the shared hosting option here. And then you can change this from yearly to monthly if you want it cheaper per month. And then you can just get a plan for as low as £3.50 right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Get Started and I'm going to grab that. Okay, so now that we've gone ahead and actually purchased our hosting plan, we can go down to the hosting list option again. And when we find our hosting, so this is the domain connected to my hosting. I've got the Stellar plan here. I can go over here and click Go to cPanel. And this is going to open up the cPanel for Namecheap. And I can just skip this, and this is all ready to go ahead and use and edit basically. Now another option that we actually have is we can go ahead and take our URL and we can put it into the search bar, and if we put /cpanel afterwards, it's going to redirect us to the cPanel. So I put the URL in /cpanel, hit enter, and it should redirect us. I think maybe this one's a bit new, so it's not going to redirect me straight away, but it should redirect you, and if that doesn't work, you can do the other method. And it's really as simple as that. So if you also want to manage anything, you can go to this little button here, click manage, and you're going to be able to manage stuff for your cPanel there. It might take a few seconds to load, but you can change all your stuff like your storage, IP address, hosting name, all that kind of stuff. And you can even go here to the login page for cPanel. And if we click copy login page, we can get that to put that in our URL. And this is going to be our unique login for our cPanel. So you can use that instead of having to use this every single time. And you can just bookmark that tab. So it's basically as simple as that. If you did enjoy the video and you found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. And also comment down below that it did help you out, so other people can watch the same video and get the same great advice. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.